Krishna is not an ordinary person like us. We are ordinary persons, we are conditioned souls. We are born under a certain circumstances of the force of karma, and we live in a certain state of life according to the forces of karma, and we die, and then again in our next life, according to the forces and laws of karma, we take another birth. Like this is our birth. We come into this world and we are shackled in this body. And Krishna's birth, appearance is not under any force of karma. He is the controller of everything, controller of karma, controller of kama. So his appearance, his personality, his existence is not to be mistaken like one of our existence. Prabhupada gave a nice example. Once there was a king and his birthday was coming, and so the big plans were being made. You can imagine king's birthday means so many plans were there. And then king called the ministers and told them, okay, you can make all your plans for my birthday, but I have also one plan. I want to visit the prison. And people in the prison, they are all suffering, neglected. And I want to give some sweets to them and some gifts to them on my birthday. And so the news reached the prison that Maharaja is coming. And then some preparations were made. Maharaja is coming to the prison. And on the birthday of Maharaja, then Maharaja came. The gates were opened. Maharaja and his retinue, all of them, they came. And then Maharaj was interacting with the other prisoners, with some of the prisoners. There were 2 other prisoners from a distance, they were watching. And they said, look, Maharaja has come to the prison and he has also become a prisoner like us. They were talking. No. Maharaja may come to the prison, but he doesn't become a prisoner. The Lord may come to this material world. He is not a part of this material world like us. He is in his transcendental position. This is a very important factor that we must understand. The position of Krishna, Prakritim Swam Adhishtaya. Swam Prakriti, in my own, situated in my own nature, in my own Prakriti, Adhishtaya Sambhavami. I appear Atma Mayaya. By my internal potency, I appear.